Have you ever wondered what it's like in an airport at 1 a.m? Well, I'm here in Palma, in Mallorca, and you can see, clock there, 1 a.m. You're not prepared for what this airport looks like at 1 a.m. Welcome to Maximum Travels. My name is James, and on this channel we do weird travel videos sometimes. If it sounds like something you're interested in, please do give the video a like and click the subscribe button. Let's get walking. So obviously the first thing you'll notice is it does seem very empty, but you might be able to hear some background noises. We'll get to that in a little bit. So as I said, it is 1 in the morning, and for a bit of context, I actually flew in here on a Ryanair flight. I landed a couple of hours ago, and I'm flying back out at 8:15 tomorrow, well, this morning, so in another 7 hours time. Spending the night here at the airport, and just look how quiet it is. It is peaceful here, but over there it's noisy because they are doing construction. Like, this whole airport is like it's under construction, like everywhere you look. So I will be doing a sister video to this one where we actually take a look through the departures at a normal time, and that will be on the channel already, so you can go take a look at that when you finish this one. You see in the distance some of the workers doing whatever they're doing. Look how quiet it is. There are a couple of people around doing the same thing I'm doing. They've probably got here many hours before their actual flight, and they're kind of sleeping, but they're mainly over that way. But we'll come across those people shortly. Looks like there's a chap over here having a bit of a rest on the floor. We can see it there. This is my flight there. 8:15 to East Midler. I was going to say East Midlands. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to go the whole way down here, because I think the construction workers will stop me going down there. And here's another way into the departures. Now there are actually flights early morning here. I believe one is like 2:30 in the morning, another one, oh hang on, yeah, 2:30 in the morning and 5:45. So it is a 24-hour airport. So we can't go any further down there, so we will go this way. But again, just look how quiet it is, apart from the drilling. But how crazy is that? They're doing construction work at 1 o'clock in the morning at an airport. Is that normal? I imagine for those that are trying to get some sleep, that is very irritating. I mean, I guess what better time to do construction work? places here. Again, forget the drilling, but there's just so few people here, it's crazy. So what I'm going to do now is head outside. Now the way Palma Airport works is up here on this floor, this is where the departures are, and below us is where the arrivals are. And I have already been here for a few hours and I've been wandering around trying to pass the time. And I know that the arrivals is still quite busy, so we're going to go down there just for some contrast, and you'll be able to see just how different it is. Hopefully there are still people coming in on arrivals, but look at this, so quiet and peaceful. I believe that over there is the parking garage. So let's head back inside here. If we can get in there. I think we can. Maybe not. We'll try. Oh, we can. There we go. I must say, it is a very big airport for such a little island. Well, I say a little island. I think it's the biggest of the Balearic Islands. But just around here is where you'll see a lot of people just trying to pass the time until their early morning flights. That's really why I'm doing this video, just try and pass some of the time for my flight. It's just not very often you get to be in an airport at silly o'clock in the morning. Here we are. This is how we get down to arrivals. So we'll reconvene down the bottom. So coming out into arrivals, you can see people already. Yeah, see, it is definitely busy down here, but it's not as busy as what it was earlier. I'm guessing most of the flights have already landed. Yeah. So there's still a couple to come in. And that clock has definitely stopped. It is most certainly not 11:50. You can still hear construction work from here as well. So this is where all the people come flooding out when their flight lands. Yeah, it's definitely busier in this section. So we'll go up a little further and then we'll do a U-turn, head back down. I think if you do want some peace and quiet and a bit of a sleep while you're here, the departures upstairs is definitely the place to go rather than the arrivals here. Ah, there we go. This clock here is actually working. So there's not much more up there really. But I think these are all just tour things, aren't they? That's all they are. They're all closed anyway. There's quite a few people there having something to eat. And further down it doesn't look too busy. Although there is a McDonald's down here, as it says right there. 1 minute this way. Oh, I can see it right at the end there, yeah. It's a W.H. Smith here. That's odd. Yeah, it's almost like a hive of activity here compared to departures. I'd love to know what some of these people are waiting for exactly. It seems less sketchy down here, if that makes sense. Up in the departures it does seem a little bit dodgy, but down here seems, like I say, less sketchy, a bit safer maybe, because there is more people. Well, there we go then. This is what it's like to be in an airport at 1 o'clock in the morning. Absolutely fascinating. Thank you for watching this rather sporadic tour of Palma Airport at 1 o'clock in the morning. There'll be a couple of other videos on the screen now if you fancy clicking any of those to watch more videos like this. Subscribe button is just down below as well if you fancy clicking that, and don't forget you can check out the Departures Lounge at a more reasonable hour in one of my other videos, but hopefully I will see you in that one or one of my next ones. Until then, thanks so much for watching. Take care.